Elon Musk, visionary, innovator, and one of the most influential people of our time. From the brink of bankruptcy to revolutionizing multiple industries, his journey is a testament to resilience and ambition. Musk's first venture, Zip2, digitalized newspapers. He sold it for $22 million, but wasn't satisfied. He then founded X.com, which later became PayPal, revolutionizing online payments and earning him $1.5 billion. Musk believed humanity's future lay in sustainable energy and space exploration. He founded SpaceX to make space travel affordable and Tesla to accelerate the transition to electric vehicles. He also invested in solar energy and artificial intelligence, setting the foundation for a sustainable and technologically advanced world. SpaceX faced 3 consecutive rocket failures. Musk risked his entire fortune to attempt a 4th launch. The success of this launch secured a NASA contract, saving the company. Tesla's early days were filled with production delays and financial crises. Musk invested his personal savings to keep the company afloat. Despite media criticism and public doubt, Musk pushed forward, proving his resilience and focus. Elon Musk's lessons you need to learn. Musk says, failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. Musk dedicates hours to reading and learning, emphasizing the importance of self-education. Musk's success stems from dreaming big and acting on those dreams, no matter the obstacles. Elon Musk's story teaches us that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone. His relentless pursuit of innovation has reshaped industries and inspired millions. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring case studies. Let us know who we should feature next.